Are you looking for the best adjustable bar stools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best adjustable bar stools that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Claridge Black Bar Stool. The list will start with this exceptional bar stool having a black poo seat and beautiful finish. The height of this unit is nearly 32 inches, that is enough for the majority of individuals. The company has provided it a patchwork design using accent seat stitching for a terrific experience. Enjoy an incredible experience by investing a little bit of money in this unit. Number 4. Superjar Adjustable Bar Stool. The 8th position is deserved by this highly qualified adjustable bar stool that comes with a superb mechanism. Available in 2 different colors, this unit allows the users to adjust anywhere from 23.6 inches to 32.2, according to the requirement. This stable and sturdy tool gives the required stability to the system along with superb level comfort. Additionally, the footrest is quite wonderful and relaxes the legs properly. Number 3. Kaimeng Bar Stool, Best Chrome Adjustable Bar Stool. The next pick that we want to suggest in this case is the Kaimeng Bar Stool that comes with padded backrests and top quality cushions. It has a very smoother swivel that ensures the floor stays protected. Furthermore, the total time needed for assembly is less than half an hour. That is pretty great. Overall, we will say it is an incredible model that the readers can buy for having a long-lasting experience. Number 2. Homo Modern Adjustable Bar Stool, Best for Easy Cleaning. There are lots of people who simply hate cleaning and always look for excuses. If you are somehow one of them, then we had a convenient pick in the form of this model from Homo brand that can be cleaned with minimal effort. It is a supermodel having a black leather seat for proper comfort. You need to sit for less than an hour on this unit, and we guarantee that there will be a sense in your heart on why it is added in the list of best adjustable bar stools by our team. Number 1. Homo Bar Stool, Best for Extreme Comfort. If your main motive behind buying the bar stool is high-level comfort, then this option from the Homo brand can be the perfect choice to make. It is an incredible option that delivered by the company in 6 different colors, making sure everyone can find the right match as per decor of their place. It is one of the best adjustable bar stools, having a soft padded seat for sitting comfortably for long hours. The availability of 360-degree swivel makes sure you can enjoy the quite smoother and quiet experience.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.